me, removing makeup is just a one-step process. And I'm using Maybelline Micellar water. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your makeup using the Maybelline Micellar water. And this is just an easy step. You don't have to wash your face with a soap or any facial wash. Just this one and a clean cloth or cotton, and you're good to go. What I usually do is I get just one piece of cotton and then cut it into two so that we can use the other side. So as you can see, in just seconds, the makeup on this side is really removed. So let's finish the process on this side, and I'm gonna show you how to remove the other side. I put a lot of eyeshadow, but in just seconds, it's all gone on this side. That's how amazing the product is. Have a clean bare face, and I've already removed all of my makeup product on my face, so you should try Maybelline Micellar water. So thank you so much guys for watching, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay confident. Bye.